Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable VSync on RTX 5080. To do that, right click on the desktop and go to NVIDIA control panel. Then go to Manage 3D settings, and here you can go to either global settings or program settings depending on whether in global settings you want to adjust it for all apps across the system, or go to program settings to adjust it for certain apps. So in program settings you can just select the app that you want to adjust it for, and in global settings you can adjust it for everything that uses the global settings. So here we have the vertical sync. You can click on it, then set it to use the 3D application setting, or off, on, adaptive half refresh rate, or fast. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.